Are you looking? In today's busy kitchens, vacuum sealers are quickly becoming a must-have appliance for food lovers, meal preppers, and home chefs. Whether you're storing bulk groceries, prepping meals ahead of time, or diving into sous vide cooking, a reliable vacuum sealer can extend freshness and reduce waste. In this guide, we review the best vacuum sealers based on sealing power, build quality, ease of use, extra features, and overall value. List them: FoodSaver V4400 2-in-1 vacuum sealer machine with automatic vacuum sealer bag detection and starter kit. The FoodSaver V4400 is a powerhouse 2-in-1 vacuum sealer that blends convenience and smart technology. Its automatic bag detection feature makes sealing effortless. Just insert the bag and let the machine do the rest. It works with both pre-cut bags and rolls, and includes a retractable handheld sealer for zipper bags and containers. The built-in roll storage and cutter are great time savers. What truly sets it apart is its reliability and consistent airtight seals. Plus, it's compatible with sous vide cooking. While it takes up more counter space than simpler models, the performance and versatility justify the size. Ideal for families and bulk shoppers. The V4400 is a long-term investment that pays for itself in saved food and reduced waste. List 2. FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer Machine. Automatic bag detection, sous vide friendly, with sealer bags, roll, handheld vacuum sealer, black. This sleek black FoodSaver vacuum sealer is a more streamlined version of the V4400, but still offers top-tier features like automatic bag detection and a handheld sealing option. The interface is user-friendly, and the unit is sous vide compatible, making it perfect for gourmet food lovers. It comes with a starter kit, including a vacuum roll and pre-cut bags, so you can start sealing right out of the box. What users love most is the one-touch operation and consistent vacuum strength. It's great for sealing delicate or moist foods thanks to its versatile settings. The compact design fits better on countertops, although the roll storage is less spacious compared to other FoodSaver models. List 3. Nesco Deluxe Food VS12 Vacuum Sealer 130 watts kit bags and viewing lid, compact, silver. The Nesco VS12 strikes a perfect balance between performance and value. With a powerful 130-watt motor, this sealer ensures strong, airtight seals in just seconds. It offers both double and single seal options, as well as dry and moist modes for different food types. The viewing lid and easy lock handle make operation intuitive. While the built-in bag cutter and storage add convenience, it's compact, so it's perfect for smaller kitchens but doesn't compromise on performance. The stainless steel body gives it a professional look, and it includes starter bags to get you going. It may lack the automation of some FoodSaver models, but the manual control appeals to users who prefer more precision. List 4. Precision Vacuum Machine Pro Food Sealer with built-in cutter and bag storage. Up to 20 feet length. Both auto. The Precision Pro Food Sealer is designed for heavy-duty sealing needs, whether you're preserving large quantities of meat, fish, or batch-cooked meals. It features automatic and manual sealing modes, built-in bag storage, and a cutter that handles rolls up to 20 feet, ideal for serious meal preppers and hunters. The sealing strip is wide and powerful, ensuring no air leaks. Unlike cheaper models, it doesn't overheat easily, allowing multiple uses in one session. The intuitive LED display makes it easy to navigate modes and monitor progress. While it's a bit bulky and louder than some models, its industrial-level performance makes it a go-to choice for pros. List 5. Vacuum Sealer Machine. Food Sealer Vacuum Sealers for Food 80 kPa, automatic 8-in-1 sealing dry moist mode with built-in cutter, offering impressive features at a budget-friendly price. This 8-in-1 vacuum sealer machine punches above its weight with 80 kPa suction power and multiple sealing modes: dry, moist, gentle, normal. It provides flexibility for all food types. The built-in cutter and bag storage make organization easier, and the LED touch panel is user-friendly, Despite its compact size, the performance is solid and it includes everything you need to get started. It's ideal for small households, meal preppers, or anyone new to vacuum sealing. Some users note the plastic construction feels lightweight, but it's surprisingly durable for the price.